My name is Sangeeta, and I have been working in the software industry for about 25 years. I actually gave up my job a few years back because of family and kids. Whenever I used to go and watch a movie, I'm a big fan of some of the actors like Tom Hanks and Rajkumar Rao. When I saw them, I thought, okay, this looks like something is going behind this. It's not like some actors are very good, some are not. And nowadays especially, we consume so much of cinema and OTT and films and web series. So I got interested in it. And I wanted to go behind the scenes and learn what really goes behind all this. And I was much older than the rest of the batch when I joined, so I actually thought that how will I fit in? It has been a good experience. Everybody has been very welcoming. The whole place is very welcoming. You kind of become a family after a month of interacting so much with each other, and especially the first month itself, the ice-breaking kind of exercises and sessions where you get really comfortable with each other, and that really prepares you very well for the next 3 months of the course. I have created a lot of special bonds. The teachers have been very good. Both Sajjad sir and Kaleem sir take personal interest in each one of us. The way of teaching itself is not about learning but doing, as they say, acting is doing. Confidence has increased with each project. So each project has been dear, but the last one, where we did the screenplay with the Stephen book, I like that the best because I could apply whatever I have learned till now in that project, and I'm sure the next one will become my favorite next, because then I will apply everything that I've learned till now into that. I have no comparison, but I have thoroughly enjoyed whatever I have learned here and the whole experience. I think I have really grown as a person also. The way that teaching has been, technicality, creativity, how to make the students feel confident about themselves. So the way the course has taken shape through the last 3 months, I think I really like that, and I would definitely like to recommend it to anybody who wants to learn acting.